Hi, so ano ba yung bago dito sa IMG Dominate tool? So as you scroll down, meron tayong makita dito na ito, savings calculator, and at the same time, risk profile, tapos ito, debt strategies. Yan. So you can play around with the tool just so makikita mo kung ano yung how it works, ganyan siya. Yan. Similar to this one, risk profile naman, let's say try natin. Yan, click next. Then from here, pila ka lang kung ano yung preferred mo. Let's say, next mo lang siya. Yan, ito yung mga checklist or questionnaire. Kaya ganyan siya. So basically, bilang ikaw na investor, based dun sa mga sagot mo, meron siyang advice dito na moderate aggressive investor ka. Yan, nandyan siya lahat yung time horizon, yan, may expected return, recommended assets, etc. Yan. Dito yung mga suggestions basically. Yan. Nandito na yung iba. Yan. You can read it here. Yan. Pwede mo download yung PDF or email the result. So, up to you. The next one is savings calculator naman siya basically. So, you can play around with the tool naman dito. Similar with the mentioned tool earlier, no? Yan. So, lalagay mo siya dito. Let's say, for example, kaya mo mag-save ng 10,000. Calculate my savings. Yan. Nag-a-adjust to. Again, itong mga ano na to is hindi siya guaranteed. Kumbaga, at least meron akong idea na, uy, ganito na pala yung kikitain ng money after X number of years. Mga ganun siya. Yan. So, nandito siya. Okay, you can play around with the tool as well. May mga options din tayo dito kung ano yung pwede natin gawin from here. Then, ito, same lang din naman dito for that strategies. Yan.